Ciao everybody, this is Aldo Bonatti. I am the Program Officer of the Forum per la Finanza Sostenibile, i.e. the Italian SIF. We work to promote the concept of sustainability in the Italian investment community. The market of sustainable investments in Italy at the moment is still a niche market, not so developed. Still, we see that new experiences and new players are starting developing interesting strategies around the concept of sustainability. And we see that asset managers, pension funds, insurance companies are starting taking seriously sustainability as an element to boost the performance and the reputation of the institutions. We will cover these topics during the SRI Week, the Italian SRI Week, which is going to be held in many places in Italy, basically mainly Milan and Rome, in the week in the days 4 to 14th of November, where we will particularly focus on SRI for insurance companies, SRI and real estate investments, and the presentation of the EuroSIF study on the European market of SRI. For the future, I hope that big institutional investors like pension funds or big endowments, we will drive the market and we will start adopting sustainability or enhancing the strategies they have already.